Cup of Joe, cup of Joe, cup of Joe, 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 cup of Joe, cup of Joe, cup of Joe, Joe, Joe. Like, share, comment, like, share, comment, like, share, comment. And don't forget to subscribe to A Cup of Joe, y'all. I miss y'all, man. It says a new strain of COVID fit come out. Nah, I'm just bullshitting. I don't believe that shit. How y'all doing? I just got my Pooh Shiesty mask on. I just came from outside. It's still kind of cold to me. It's 47 degrees. You know what I'm talking about? Man, I ain't worried about that shit. I ain't getting no COVID shot. Never in my life. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm still that man. You know what I'm talking about? But I appreciate y'all for being patient with me. The wait is over. It's over, man. Yes, Sirski. Yeah, man. I see I got some new subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I was just chilling. No, not chilling. I was grinding. We got to grind. You know what I'm saying? To support the channel. To support ourselves, man. Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know what y'all think about, you know what I'm saying, certain situations and everything, man. I appreciate everybody, my subscribers, the ones that ain't scared to comment, the ones that ain't scared to like, the ones that ain't scared to subscribe, the ones that ain't scared at all, you know what I'm talking about? I thank all of y'all, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it's your boy Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Joe, Joe. Can y'all say it with me one time? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, 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 Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Joe, Joe. Say, man, I'm back with another video, man. It don't stop till the casket drop. Hey, I'm gonna do a video. Even though I'm new to this, you better believe that I'm true to this. I finished what I start. Did it? You did? Yeah, for real. Say, man, I know y'all seen me do. I left a video about some chicken. I didn't do a video about the chicken. I took a picture. Man. Shout out to boss man D-Lo, man. I like to meet you sometime, homie. I really would do. Besides my favorite rapper, Zero, right now. Zero is my favorite rapper at the meantime. That boy just came out with another motherfucking song called I Never Love a Bitch Again. But at the same time, get money, fuck bitches, I make honey, give me more chicken. Hey, I like that song. Give me more chicken. You know what I'm talking about? With the scissors in my cup of Joe. I gotta have it, man. I don't know about y'all. Whatever you got in your cup is your business. What I got in mine is my business. But yeah, man. Let me say my grade before I start digging in this chicken, man. You always got to give God thanks. You always got to pray to the Lord. Because if God ain't in it, it ain't nothing. But to my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. You know what I'm talking about? I do mukbang videos. Sometimes I do some real life situations. You never know what I might do next. You know, I'm just coming back from death in the family. Just now getting over it. and everything else, man. I still had to grind. I still had to do everything I needed to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I got my mask on. I don't know what they say, Pooh Shiesty, man. I ain't trying to promote, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, they say that's what that is. Shoot, I bought this from the local corner store. Somewhere. I don't know. North, east, south, west. You know what I'm talking about? At the same time, yeah. This some leftovers, Popeye chicken. I'm going to dip it in my barbecue sauce and chop it up with y'all and ask y'all some questions, what y'all think about certain shit that's going on in this world. Hot. I'm not politic or nothing. I just be wanting to know. Like Joe, the singer. I want to know what turns you on. That nigga. I be wanting to know. Joe be wanting to know. Yeah, man. What y'all think about Valentine? You think that question gonna come up? What do the lonely do for Valentine? They used to say Christmas, but now it's Valentine. Valentine exposed everything. It exposed all the players, pimps, and the hustlers. It exposed everything, man. Valentine is like a female holiday. Shout out to the sisters. Make sure y'all get y'all gift. Hell, I don't give a damn. Make sure y'all get y'all balloons, hearts, etc. Whatever you like. Make that nigga take you out to eat here. If I had a daughter, I'd tell her the same thing. But it exposed that. And it exposed the side chick. That's crazy. I ain't no player hater. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna brag on myself neither. But back in the day, boy, say, those that know me, man, I'm one of the ones that started this shit. But at the same time, man, that holiday, a pagan holiday, if you got somebody, every day should be Valentine's Day. Every day should be like a birthday. Every day you should celebrate your woman. I'm talking to the men. Know what I'm saying? Keep it real with your woman, man. That's holding it down. Your real woman. I mean, don't cheat. For real, for real. Because God watch. I don't care who you is. You ain't bigger than his program. And to the women, don't cheat. Yeah, you thought just talking to the men. Nah. Valentine's Day go both ways. A lot of people break up before Valentine's Day. I used to do that shit back in the high school days. I don't want to go with you no more. Well, not high school. I'll take that back. I went in. Yeah. I liked my high school teacher on the cool. But anyway. Man. You need to keep it real with whoever keeping it real with you. If you know you got a fake ass woman or a fake ass man, Ain't nobody perfect, man, but at the same time, you should peep that shit. And a lot of us got gut feeling. Oh, shit. Now y'all done made me get 2 games. My chicken is gone. Well, guess what I'm finna do? When it get gangsta, that's a 0. I'm finna go in my junk bag. And guess what I found? Damn. Y'all see that? Damn. Man, fire. And they flaming hot. I gotta backdoor that chicken with this. Well, let me pray of it. But, yeah. Motherfucker still here. I ain't this in a while. But sometimes you gotta eat a snack on your mukbang video. Sometimes. But, man, it's too much diseases going on for me to be in them streets. It ain't like that when I was coming up. I'm like one of the last generation. I was born in 79. So you can imagine. I'm like one of the last generations that was shocking, moving, sticking, and grooving. Yeah. I ain't never had no, they say never, but ever had a sexually transmitted disease and caught something from one of these scallywags. I went to North Texas Job Corps. That's like college, so you can imagine. I was singing all the way through that bit. I was singing for a long time. Around then, I was like 21. I only had 2 girlfriends. And now one of it was serious. They didn't even last 3 months. So, I told you my problem when I was young. Now, you know what I'm saying? I'm grown. But at the same time, when you're grown, you got to take care of home. Can't be out there in them streets playing games, slanging, digging lanes, or that putty tang. That putty tang, that putty you. You know what I mean? Nah. Because this generation, this is raw and uncut channel I got. It's doing some nasty things that we didn't do. And if you did it, you had to be like this. You had to be quiet with it. You know what I'm saying? Like Quiet Money Dot. That's my other, you know what I'm saying, favorite rapper. Look him up. Anyway, I'm getting free game and everything on this channel. I don't need everybody to listen to what I listen to. But, they nasty, man. Man, y'all know what they doing out there, man. I ain't fit to discuss my channel for y'all nasty ass out there, man. And it's almost Valentine's Day, man. And y'all know y'all supposed to keep it real with that woman. Man. You know what I'm saying? Women, y'all know y'all supposed to keep it real with that man. Woman. Some motherfuckers out here giving motherfuckers shit that's worse than COVID-19 around there, hoe. You gotta protect yourself from you gotta wear a mask. You gotta wear gloves. You gotta wear safety glasses. You gotta wear whatever. Condoms. You gotta wear. Damn. Name some shit y'all gotta wear out there in the comment to protect yourself from these nasty motherfuckers, man. You gotta spray disinfectant spray. You gotta do all this shit, and we human. We killing each other out here. That's worse. I'm talking about with guns and shit, man. You gotta wear a bulletproof vest. Man, these motherfuckers smoking each other left and right, man. Like they did it by accident and man, people getting killed out here. Do y'all watch the news? Like watch the news, man. I'm not politics though. Just speaking facts. Watch the news. Don't just be on your phone all day. Watch what's around you, man. Watch the weather. Fake ass clouds in the air. Some people say fake ass snow. Who still do this with their chips? Don't act like y'all don't. That's the bad part. I mean, it's dumb. If you eating a bag of chips, man, somebody, let me get a chip, man. I'm let them motherfuckers pull them something, then hit that motherfucker. Let them know it's over with. What about people asking for cigarettes? So you think I can get a square? Them Newport stars, boy, they'll pop that boy, that Newport to be out there like that. Or they'll just give you one. Gotta be careful how you, communicate with people, man. Because I got my own motherfucking excuse my language. I got my own pet peeves. You know what I'm saying? I don't like a motherfucker to walk up behind me and touch, what's up, Big Joe? I'm like, God damn, homeboy. They know. Who those who don't know? Don't never come behind me talking about and all that friendly ass shit, man. And then some niggas don't even wash their hand. They be like, what's up, my nigga? They be way back here. Like Michael Jordan, nigga, with a high five. It done gave you everything that they done did before they even shook your motherfucking hand. Do y'all catch my drill? Where the hell I'm talking from, man? I ain't gonna stomp with y'all, man. I'm gonna keep it real, bro. Especially on the Cup of Joe. Ow! You all want to hear some real shit, right? For real. I know I would. Man, I don't know how the female, they hug it. Make sure they washing themselves, man. You don't need all that up on your body. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, man, I just came on here to do another video, man, and not to segregate people from people, but at the same time, it's so much stuff going on, and we gotta keep it real with each other, man. Y'all know who we is, man. You know what I'm talking about? We family now. You know what I mean? You know, you ain't gotta be blood to be my family. You know what I'm talking about? All you gotta do is keep it real with me, because I'm damn sure gonna keep it real with you. You feel me? Please, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please. To a Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe. Say, man, Nah, hold on. I ain't done yet. Y'all thought it was over. These, some of my sweets. You know what I'm talking about? Man, let me get that one out. And this, say, man, this is sweet rolls, man. I love these, boy. I been up put some peanut butter and jelly on these, boy. Y'all got me fucked up. I'm trying to tell you. And this, the honey bun, man, the jelly squares, man. I am gonna mow these boys down. I'm gonna clock these. No diddy, you know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna clock these boys together, man. And go that way with them, man. Believe it or not, I've been grinding so hard, man. And today, that's all I had, some chicken, man. But y'all bear with me, because I need more chicken. Get money. More chicken. Yeah, for real, man. And I got one more thing that I'm going to do before I go. Know what I'm saying? I want to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, my day ones. Y'all know who y'all is, man. I'm going to say some names real soon. Just let me come back with the come on back, man. You know, I'm back like I never left. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't been gone that long. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry for the wait, but please don't hate. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Cup of Joe. And I ain't gonna stop because we need more chicken. Get money. More chicken. Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Cup of Joe, Joe.